here's the oil pump assembly. We already loosened the bolts here, 6 10mm bolts. So there you go, the rear cover. I will examine the condition of the surface here of the aluminum. This is the oil pressure regulator. So the spring. Oh my. So we're just checking the condition of this oil pump, if there's an abnormal wear. So I'm going to pull out this gear. Oh, good naman. Looks like the gear is still good. Mukhang nabara lang talaga. Ito na yung gear. Paano ko binunutin? Wala namang abnormal wear. Ito may wear. Pero hindi rin ganun patindi yung wear. Pero meron. Meron malalalim. So there's wear here at this rear housing. Kailangan buksan yung isa. Pumili na ng pinakamagandang oil pump. As you'll see here at the strainer of the oil pump, this is possibly the reason for the low pressure of the oil pump, because the filtering is so small it can easily get clogged by debris like this one here. We'll also check the oil. We'll filter out the oil and check how many debris we can see in. It's because it's possible that the dirt, the debris like this one, I think this is silicone nga, silicone sealant. So it's possible that an amount of silicone sealant debris just like this one goes to this filter here when the oil pump is functioning, when the engine is running, and it clogs the whole filter here. Being so small, the filter area is so small that the oil pump can easily get clogged